Welcome to Tiny Time. Let's finish our deck project. This is the view from below our deck. Definitely don't want to roll down this hill. Since finishing up the main platform of our deck, we've added a couple of other features. The first of which is a ramp access. And the second of which is a small deck extension. We're also in the process of building a covered area directly behind our camper. We drilled holes in the bottoms of the 4x4 support posts for this covered area so that they would fit into the support brackets. With a little teamwork, we were able to move the frame into position. Of course, adding a few 2x4 braces didn't hurt the situation any. And was I nervous standing close to the deck edge above that steep bank? No, of course not. After checking for level, it's time to connect the support posts to the brackets. When we were ready to put in the roof supports, we added additional blocks to help us hold up the boards. And then we attached the boards to the support posts. The next step was to add purlins that we would use to attach the roof material. We also added braces to some of the roof support posts just to give the framework more stability. Once the covered area was supported, we went ahead and put in the rail support posts and began working on the top rail. We set the top rail up a little higher than usual because we didn't want to obstruct our view any more than we could help.
Oh, so I put these screw eyes in the wall, just drilled them and screwed them in, and then these with the wire, I use these little cable clamps, use at least 2, and that's how you tighten it down on one end. So I'm marking the holes so the drill won't walk when I drill them.
Continue drilling holes in the support posts through which you're going to thread your steel cable. And then here's in a little bit, we'll show you how we anchored those again on both sides of the deck.
I'm putting the clamps on the cable. We chose a real light colored polycarbonate roofing material, and I was putting sealant between at the joints there. The manufacturer recommends that if you have less than their a certain grade, that you seal all the joints. They also recommend that you pre-drilled for all the holes, So that's what I'm doing now. And then put it in with the regular roofing screws like they're supposed to be. And we really like the product.
Now our deck is all finished and ready for our family and friends to come and join us. We'll be seeing you soon.